Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super cozy, warm Christmas home using cardboard and colors. That's it. So you need only 2 ingredients and you can stand it on your desk to decorate your house, your home, your workspace. And this is actually the part 1 where you will see how to create the brick background along with the door, window, roof, everything from the scratch. And in part 2, I will decorate the house. I'm super duper excited, so without wasting any time, let's start with the procedure. Here I'm taking 10 by 21 centimeters white color 300 GSM cardstock, just marked at the center, and from top to bottom I have marked that 6 centimeters from both the sides. We just need to join both the markings and then I am just cutting it to create the home effect. Then I am taking here 5 strips which are 2 by 10 centimeters. These are cardboard strips, and now I am sticking these all 5 strips together to create nice thick bunch. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared one more bunch using 2 by 10 centimeter 5 strips, and we need another bunch which is 9.5 by 2 centimeters, and here also I have joined 5 strips. So in this way we need 3 strips. Now I am taking back my base and sticking the 10 by 2 centimeter bunch in the bottom. Then taking another 10 by 2 centimeter bunch, sticking on the roof diagonally, and then taking 9.5 by 2 centimeter bunch and sticking on another side. Then to secure the roof nicely, I am taking here craft paper. You can use any color paper because anyways we are going to color this later. So here I am taking 10 by 2 centimeter red 80 GSM paper, folded this from center and just securing my roof nicely with the base. Similarly connecting in the bottom. Burnish it nicely with bone folder, and with the same method we have to secure this from other side as well. Then to give nice sturdy base, I am going to add one more same size cardboard piece on back side of the home so that it will stand nicely, and also it will have the weight. It can bear the weight of door and window and all the decorations. Now to create bricks, here I have cut 1 by 2 centimeter cardboard strips, and we just need to decorate the inner part of the house using these bricks one by one. This is super duper easy. So with the similar method, I am going to cover the remaining portion of the house till the bottom. It's done. Now to give nice finished look and to give little texture, I am applying the glue and the water mixture all over the base, and then on top of this I am going to stick one piece of tissue paper. Just merge with the base nicely using glue. So this is done. Then I am taking 0.5 centimeter wide strip which I am going to add on left and right side of the house to give it nice complete look. Here also I have attached total 3 strips together of cardboard to make the nice thick bunch. And the height is all up to your space between roof and the base. So I have added the strip on both the sides, burnish it nicely, and the house is ready. Now to create door, here I am taking white color cardstock, which is 6 by 12 centimeters, and I am going to add total 5 cardboard strips on this door, which measures 1 by 12 centimeters. So after equal interval, I am going to attach 5 strips. Then on the top and in the bottom I am adding 2 more strips, which are 0.5 by 6 centimeters, and then adding one handle or latch of the door. Like this. So the door is ready. Then I am covering the door as well using mixture of glue, water and tissue paper. It gives nice strength to the door and also it gives texture. So the door is completely ready. Now we will proceed to create the window. So here I am making the window, which is 4 by 3.5 centimeters, and on white cardstock I am sticking 0.5 by 4 centimeter strip horizontally, then 3 more strips vertically, which are 0.5 by 2.5 centimeters. And then at the end I am adding one more strip horizontally, which are 0.5 by 4 centimeters, and then in the center I am adding one more thin strip. Then I am just cutting the excess cut around the window. And this is done. Then it's time to color the house. So here I am taking yellow ochre and little bit of burnt sienna, mixed both the colors nicely and then giving nice coat of the light brown all over the house. I'm just leaving the door space because we don't need to add the color there, because the door will come on top of the house, so save little bit of color. And in the bottom I am just applying white acrylic color. And yes, for all the coloring purpose I am using acrylics only. You can also use chalk paints, any colors which are waterproof. Then I am just adding little highlights using light yellow ochre shade. This is a dry brushing technique. Take little bit of color on your flat brush and apply on the brick. So whatever part is raised will catch the color and it will give nice highlights to the brick pattern. From all 4 corners I have given little bit of shades of dark chocolatey color. So this is done. Then to color the door I am taking red acrylic color. and the strips which are on top and in the bottom I am coloring with gold paint. Also the latch. Then it's time to color the window. So for all inner parts I am using yellow acrylic color, and the frame I am going to color with the same brown shade which I have used to color the house. So window is also ready. Then here I am taking 2.5 by 1 centimeter dark brown color sheet. This is 250 GSM. Just chopping the corner from one side, from both the corners. Make it curve using fingers like this, so it will work like the roof. And now taking back my house, and one by one I am going to stick these roofs on the topmost portion. Like this, similar way I am going to cover the other side of the roof. Now it's time to stick the door on the house. And also attaching the window. And the beautiful vintage cozy warm Christmas house is ready. Now don't forget to check out for part 2, where I will show the decorative parts, the Christmas tree, snowman, lots of gifts and so many ideas. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. I'm waiting for your comments and suggestions, so drop your ideas in the comment box, and please check the part 2 as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.